students, welcome to class 5 maths. We have already started chapter number 3, multiplication, division and their application. Today we will learn about average. What is average? Average of a certain number of values or quantities indicates what the equal distribution of that quantity would have been. What do you mean by average? Average of a certain any number of the values or quantities. It indicates what the equal distribution of that quantity would have been. Or here we have one formula. Average is equal to sum of all the value divided by total number of values. Average means sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Using this formula, today we are going to solve exercise. So our exercise is 3.5. Question number 1. Find the average of each of the following. Now, student, every time what we are going to do, we are going to use the formula. According to that, we are going to substitute the values. Now, we want to find out the average of 3 and 5. Here we are having two numbers. So, what we will do first, we will write down the formula. Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. This upon means divide. Okay. Now, sum of all values. Here, how many values we have? We are having only two values. So, we will write down here 3 plus 5 divided by total. How many numbers of value we have? This is 1 and this is 2. So, we have written here 2. Sum of all the values. So, here we are having 1 and 2 values. So, we have taken here 3 plus 5 and 2 values. So, what is student 3 plus 5? So, 5 plus 3 is 8. So, we have written here 8 upon 2. And 8 upon 2 means, or 8 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So, your answer is 4. So, the average of 3 and 5 is 4. Student, we have to write down the final answer. First important is we have to write down the formula. Then substitute. Then you will get the answer. And then final answer, average of 3 and 5 is 4. Student, you understood how to solve this? Let's come to the next one. 2, 4 and 6. We want to find out the average of this number. So first what we'll do? We'll write down the formula. Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Now sum of all the values. How many values we are having? 2 plus 4 plus 6. And total number of values? 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write down here. See, 2 plus 4 plus 6 and divided by 3 here. So students, see here, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So we'll write down here 12 upon 3. And 12 upon 3 means what? 12 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. So finally we'll write down average of 2, 4 and 6 is 4. I hope student you understood this very much and it's very easy. Let's do the next one. C1. 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Same method we are going to do. First we'll write down the formula. Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Now we'll write down here sum. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 divided by 5. Now student, do one by one. Like 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. And 15 and this become your 11 plus 9, 20. Total become 35. And 35 divided by 5 is equal to 5 in the 5, 5 7 the 35. So average of 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 is 7. Student, you can add here in a vertical form also. Come on student, let's try to do the next one. Student, you do. Come on, I'll just wait a minute and you try to do. Find the average of 4, 6, 8 and 10. Come on, start writing. Written formula? Yes. So first formula you have written, average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Come on, write down first. Okay, returns 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 4. Now see, 4 plus 6 become 10. 10 plus 10, 20. And 20 plus 8 become 28. Very easy calculation, means 28 upon 4. And 28 upon 4 means 4 sevens are 28. And so your average of 4, 6, 8 and 10 is 7. So what you are going to write down? Therefore, average of 4, 6, 8 and 10 is 7. Next one. Now look here student, what is given? Numbers from 1 to 9. You want to find out the average of numbers from 1 to 9. First what we'll do, we'll write down the numbers from 1 to 9. Let's write here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here from is given, so we have written from 1 to 9. Now same as usual, we'll write down the formula. So average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Now we will add here. Sum of all values means what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 and divided by 9. Now student, if you think this calculation is very easy, see, look here, this one and this 9 become 10. 2 plus 8 become 10, means 20. 3 plus 7 become 10, that means 30. 4 plus 6 become 10. How much? 40. And 5 will become here. See, leaving this 5, it become here 45. 4 plus 6, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 2 plus 8, 10. And 1 plus 9, 10. Okay, so your answer is here 45 upon 9. And 9 table 45 comes 9. How much is 45? 9 5s are 45. And so the average of numbers 1 to 9 is 5. I hope student you have understood this sum very much, and you might be thinking it's really too easy. Let's come to the next. F. Numbers from 20 to 30. Now student, from word is there. So what will write down? From 20 to 30 will write down. Come on student, start writing 20 to 30. Come on. Twenty, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now we have written numbers from 20 to 30. Now what is your next step? Next step is to write down the formula. Okay, start writing formula. What is formula? Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. So how many values are there total here, student? See, 21 to 30, 10 numbers are there, and plus 1, total become 11. So what we'll do? We will add plus sum of all the values. We will add this all. Okay, we have written here, see, 20, 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 plus 25 plus 26 plus 27 plus 28 plus 29 plus 30 divided by 11. Again student, if you see here, this 20 and this 30 become 50. Again 21 plus 29 become 50, 100. Oh. Now again 25 and this become 50, 150. This 50, 200. This 50, 250, and 250 plus 25 become 275. So your answer is 275 divided by 11. And if you divide 11 2s are 22. Come on, start doing. Just tell me the answer. What is the answer of 275 divided by 11? 11 twos are 22. 7 minus 2, 5, 5. 11 fives are. So your answer is 25. Very good. So what we have to do now? We have to write down the final answer. So what you will write down final answer? Average of, either you can take numbers from 20 to 30 or you write down all the numbers. Average of 20 to 30 is 25. Come to the next one. Okay students, see here. Multiple of 6 from 10 to 50. Now student, tell me what are the multiple of 6? When we take multiple of 6 means we are supposed to take the table of 6. But we are going to write down from 10 to 50 only. Now 10 is not coming in 6 table. 11 is also not coming. So we'll start writing from 12 because 6 twos are 12. Okay. And we have to do till 50 only. So what we'll write down here? See, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42 and 6 eights are 48. Next comes 6 nines are 54. We cannot take 54 because we want to write down the numbers till 50 only. So your numbers are 12, 18, 24, 36, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Student, you understood how to write down the multiple of 6 from 10 to 50. Multiple of 6 means table of 6. You have to write down from 10 to 15 from 10 to 15 only. So we have started from 12 and we have ended till 48. Now we have to proceed as usual. First we have to write down the formula, then substitute, do the addition, division and then the final answer. So write down. Student, come on, start doing. Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Come on, just add. What is the addition of 12 plus 18 plus 24 plus 30 plus 36 plus 42 plus 48? Come on student, just do the calculation. Calculation is not too big. Come on. Are you getting? What is the answer of sum of all the values? Okay, so answer is 210. 210 divided by 7. So just divide 7 table. How much? 7 threes are 21 and 0. 7 zeros are 0. So your answer is 30. So final answer you will write down. Average of 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48 is 30, or you can write down average of multiple of 6 from 10 to 50 is 30. You can write down like this way also answer. Come to the next one. Prime numbers between 10 and 20. Student, you know the prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which are having only two factor. Which are the two factor? 1 and itself, and you have already studied the prime number. So what are prime number? If you see like from 1 to 10, prime numbers start like from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, now from 10 to 13 what will come? 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, so your answer is prime number between 10 and 20 are 11, 13, 17 and 19. Then write down the formula. Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Come on student, just write down. written 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19. So what is the answer? What is the sum of this 4 number? So sum is 60, and 60 divided by 4. Come on, let's do 60 divided by 4. Okay, 60 divided by 4 is 15. And what you will write down final answer? Prime numbers of 11, 13, 17 and 19 is 15, or average of prime number between 10 and 20 is 15. Therefore, average of 11, 13, 17 and 19 is 15. Come to the last one. Even numbers between 21 to 30. Now look student, here between is there, so you will not consider 21 and 31. You are going to take in between, inside these two numbers. So first we will write down even numbers. So even numbers are 22, 23 is odd, 24, 25 will not write, 26, 28, 30. So these 5 numbers are even numbers between 21 to 31. Now student, what we will do? First we will add. First we will, before adding, you can, first we'll write down first formula. What the formula? Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Come on students, start writing, be with me. Average is equal to sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Now substitute. So we have substituted sum of all value means 22 plus 24 plus 26 plus 28 plus 13 divided by number of values. How many values are there here? 5. Come on student, just add this. See, if you see 4 plus 6, 10, this become 50. Again this become 50, 100. 100 plus 10 become 130. Student, you have to be think over. We should see the ones place, tens place, and think we should how it will come in a zeros. Now if you see this become, see 4 plus 6 become 10 here, and 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1 become 50, means this is 50. So obviously this is also 50, and 50 plus 50 become 100. 100 plus 30 become 130, and 130 divided by 5. Come on, start doing this. 130 divided by 5. So 130 divided by 5 is 5 2s are 10 and 5 6 are 30. So your answer is 26. So we'll write down here average of 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30 is 26, or we can write down average of even numbers between 21 to 31 is 26. So student, I think this question exercise 3.5 question number 1, you are going to complete it. If it is incomplete, complete it today itself. And I hope you felt it very simple and easy. The remaining question we'll see in the next session. Till that, thank you. Bye bye.